In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Google Camera on any Android device. Go on Google, search here GCam APK, tap on this website, simply scroll down, skip the advertisement, tap on download, tap on Google Camera 9.6, again skip the advertisement. Now scroll down. Here you can see for Samsung phones, all versions are available, and here are for OnePlus phones, and this is for Realme phones. You can select any of these according to your device. I am using Xiaomi, so I will select this one. Let's install the Husky LMC latest version. Tap on download link. Tap on details. As you can see, file is downloading. File is downloaded. Now tap on it. Tap on install. Go in more details. Install anyway. Go back. GCam is installed in my device. Now let's open it. Allow all the permissions. Now let's take one photo. So this is how you can download Google Camera on any Android device. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel for more information like this.